What is your sense of smell? Why do we have it? Is it important to other factors? All these questions are about to be answered in this short video. Olfaction, otherwise known as the sense of smell, is the ability to detect odors through the air. This comes in handy when one is looking for food or to tell you to go in the other direction if a skunk has sprayed in an area recently. The odors the human nose can detect are food, hazards, and pheromones. Each odor has its own receptor site that is connected to an axon. When a molecule of something around you is released, such as the smell of burning from a campfire, the molecule travels up your nose to the receptor site for the scent of the campfire. There are way more scents in the world than the human nose can smell. The human body has 400 scent receptors, and they are all in the nose. Those 400 receptors can smell over 1 trillion different scents. This works by having multiple different neurons triggered at the same time. The mucosa is the most superficial layer. It contains mucus and cilia. The mucus is made up of mostly lipids. At the end of each neuron is about 10 to 20 cilia that receive molecules of a substance. The cilia then sends a message through the neuron, which is called the olfactory sensory neuron. This is located in the olfactory epithelium that is made up of basal cells. Going even deeper into the body, the axons of the olfactory sensory neurons go up and bundle and form groups of 10 to 100 axons, and then go through the cribriform. Once it passes through the cribriform, the axons meet up at the factory cranial nerve. Here, they converge to terminate with postsynaptic cells and form structures called glomeruli. The glomeruli are connected in groups that converge into mitral cells. The joining of glomeruli increases the sensitivity of the olfactory signal sent to the brain. From the mitral cells, the message is sent to the central nervous system in the amygdala in the brain. This happens via the olfactory nerve tract. When the message reaches the amygdala, the brain then interprets it and has an appropriate response, so the nose knows what to do. Some fun facts about olfaction. Olfaction is affiliated with taste due to the influence that scent may carry. When it influences taste, it goes through a process called retronasal olfaction, which is when the molecules go through the back of the mouth and then up into the cavity there and into the olfactory bulb, the same way it would if it went through the nostrils. Certain scents can also trigger emotions such as happiness when you smell fresh cut grass, because it'd be warm out and we wouldn't have all this snow. This is because odors and memories can be processed in the same spot, the thalamus.